What's going on, everyone? It's the Machine here for IloveItSpicy.com. Today we have a review of Feisty Parrot Demented Canary hot sauce. And as you can see, the label on here is very nice. It's really easy to read. Everything's nice and clear, bright colors, crisp, excellent clean looking label. And this is a ghost and scorpion pepper hot sauce. As you can see, the parrot is holding a scorpion by his tail. Now the heat on this, according to the little label here, it's got some heat, but it's not, you think ghost and scorpion, it's going to be absolute blistering. But it's really not that hot that you would think. Not near as bad as what. But the ingredients on this thing is carrot, papaya, celery, onion, apple juice from concentrate, cider vinegar, lime juice, water, tequila, garlic, ghost pepper, trinidad, scorpion pepper, salt, spices, and xanthan gum. Now, Feisty Parrot is run by David and Tracy Gunn, and they're out of Riviera Beach, Florida. They have a site, saucecrafters.com, and a phone number is 561-848-2335 to get a hold of them. And they also have another site, feistyparrot.com. So now you can get a hold of them somehow, any way you need, just like that. Now when you smell this, I smell onions, garlic, carrot, now the papaya. It's sweet smelling, but not like syrupy sweet. It's got an awesome smell to it. Now I'm going to try this on a little steak sandwich here. Sorry, I've been sick here the last few weeks and still trying to shake it off. Now I've also tried this on pork, fish, and chicken, and it actually goes pretty well with all of those. But I really like this with fish. It was excellent with fish. That's quite good. That's excellent on there. I do taste the garlic, the celery and onions. Okay, the sweetness, well, I guess probably from the papaya and the carrot. And I'm not really a papaya person, but the way this flavor is all blended together, it works quite nice. And nothing really overpowers your food. Got a little heat. No, a little in the tongue, a little in the roof of the mouth. Nothing real bad. But excellent flavor. Awesome flavor. I definitely say I have to give this a rock solid 3.5 Flaming Hearts. The only thing I would like myself, since it is a ghost and scorpion sauce, maybe just a tad more heat, because I know they don't want this to be their hottest sauce. But maybe just a touch more, and it would have been a 4, no problem. Because the overall, I mean, you can see the consistency. No, it's got some chunks. It's nice and thick. It's not real runny or anything. No, it sticks to the food real nice. I mean, it's a good, rock solid, good sauce. Knowing David and Tracy, you did a pretty rock star job on that. It's very good. I can see why you've won some awards with it. Well, you all catch out some Feisty Parrot and give it a try, because it is definitely machine approved. It's very good sauce. I'll catch you all later. See ya.